Okay, so subject searching is one means of narrowing your search results. So far we have talked about keyword searching, right? That's when you search a word that's associated with an article. Subject searching is when you're searching for what the article is actually about. And someone, usually a librarian, has gone through and tagged an article with a specific word saying this article is about this thing. And then when you search for that magic word that the librarian has used, you will get all the other results that have been tagged the same way, right? So it'll be much more narrow, much more relevant. But how do you search for those magic words when you don't know what they are? One technique is to find a good article and see what subject headings that article uses and search for those. So here we go. I did a search for lysosomes. I've got my peer-reviewed journals filter set, right? And I have remember all filters. That's sort of the do not pass go, do not collect $200, first step of doing this kind of thing. All right, so we're going to scroll down a bit here and say, okay, this lysosomes fusion and function article, this looks like it might be relevant for me. Click on it. And then if you scroll down, look at all these subjects in red, right? Oh, and you can look at these and say, ooh, which one of these sounds the most like what I'm actually looking for? And say it's this lysosomes ultrastructure. Ooh, if I click on this, it will automatically create a subject search for that term. And all of a sudden, I don't know if you noticed, there were like 150,000 results before. Now we're down to 2,000. Right? And you can just keep going with this. You can click on other articles that you like, find new subject terms, and then you can copy and paste those into your search, right? Just keep going. And you can add more. You can add new lines. You can combine with keywords, right? Say you're reading an abstract of one of these things and you're like, oh, they use this phrase. Maybe I can try that. You can add that in too, right? You can change the field here by clicking on this and scrolling down. This is where subject searching is at the very bottom. You can experiment, play around, see what works for you. And this advanced search box isn't just for subject searching, right? You can combine different keywords. And if you want to go straight to this subject searching box, you can do that. So if you are right here at the beginning, right, you can just click on advanced search from here and it'll open it up for you. You can also do that from your results page if you're not already. So see, this says simple search. If you weren't already there, you could click on that, and that would be that. So, great. Have fun and enjoy.